और सुनाओ। तो हमारी भतीजी तो दिल्ली से पूरे कॉलेज में हिट हो गई इस वजह की।
Is the ability to apply one's physical and mental energies to one problem without growing weary. These words of Thomas Edison has been the guiding spirit in their academics. I'd like to request our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ashok Gupta, and our Registrar, Dr. Rakhi Gupta, to kindly come on the stage and give a read award. Yes, BSc Fashion Technology, Akshita Bhatt, BJMC, Dikshita Jalan, BSc Sheshka Rajora, BSc Jewelry Design, BSc Psychology, Aditi Girish Kumar Dubey, BCom Honours ATG, Meghavi Jaswani, BCom Honours BSG, Chavi Goyal, BCom BSR, Kritika Jalan, BCom Honours FSG, Muskan Arora, BCom HRG, Ishita Bokaria, BCom IBG, Tanishka Pant, BCom Honours Professional CA, Astha Luharia, BCom Honours Professional CS, Samriddhi Srivastava, BSc Multimedia and Animation, BSc Honours Mrinalini Pareta, BSc Honours Chemistry Riya Gupta, BSc Zoology Bhagishri Singhal, BA, now we move on to the second year, BA second year Gargi Sharma, BBA Ayushi Gupta, BCA Sakshi Jain, BCom second year Gauri Advani, BSc Fashion Technology second year Bhavna Mangalani, BJMC Richa Sharma, BSc Amita Singh Rajavar, BSc Jewelry Designing Kavita Verma, BSc Home Science Ranu Burat, BBA second year Anupama Agarwal, BSc Textile second year Riya Bhargav, BSc Honours Economics second year Anukriti Gupta, BA Honours English Arpita Karwa, BA Honours Political Science Ritika Kumar, BA Psychology Honours Reshri Mishra, BCom Honours HRG Himanshi Mudgal, BCom Honours IBG Shivani Jain, BCom Honours Professional CA Sahiba Harkamal Kaur, BCom Honours Professional CS Neha Sharma, BSc Chemistry second year Aishwarya Deep Kaur, BSc Honours Zoology second year Baby, and BBA Chavi Sharma. And now I'll call the postgraduate students. The previous year, MJMC first year, Vaidehi Singh, MA English, Adhivishan Diksha Banthia, MSc Home Science Human Development Jagrati Jain, MSc Zoology Khanika Chaudhary, MSc Chemistry Ghazal, MBA first year Arza Arora, MSc Information Technology Khushpreet Kaur, MBA Human Resource Management Pratiksha Bhardwaj, MBA International Business Khushbu Chaudhary, MBA Retail Management Anjali Jaiswal, MA Economics Divya Sharma, MA MCom MSc Fashion Technology Charu Gupta, MSc Maths Swati, MSc Physics Purva Sharma, Master of Social Work Shivani Sharma, FMS MBA first year Ruchi Sharma, PGDM Lovely Soni, PhD Science Ruchi Vyas, PhD Commerce and Management Nishi Bhardwaj, and PhD Arts and Social Sciences Preeti Agrawal. I now move on to add-on and certificate and diploma courses. Certificate in Banking, Insurance and Equity Services, Tanvi Shah. Certificate in Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Shikha Sharma. Certificate in Counseling and Guidance, Aditi Girish Kumar Dubey. Certificate in Event Management, Zeba Khan. Certificate in French, Urvashi Chaudhary. Certificate in Fashion Designing, Anshika Madnani. Certificate in Food Quality and Food Science and Quality Control, Charu Yadav. Certificate in German, Archana Bhardwaj. Certificate in International Business, Zubi Sani. Certificate in Jewelry Designing, Jayati Maheshwari. Certificate in Mass Communication and Video Production, Zehla Shedwani. Certificate in Remote Sensing, Cheshtha Rajora. Certificate in Radio Program Production, Kritika Chaudhary. Certificate in Retail Management, Disha Chabra. Certificate in Still Photography and Audio Production, Megha Sharma. Certificate in Tourism and Airline Management, Nishka Meel. Certificate in Tax Procedure and Tax Planning, Shritika Sharma. Certificate in Visual Arts, Survi Upadhyay. Certificate in Web Technology and Web Designing, Latika Yadav. Certificate in Kathak Dance, Jivika Bam. Certificate in Integrated CAD and Graphic Designing, Falak Goyal. Research Methodology, Vishakha Garg. Now we start with Diploma. Diploma in Banking, Insurance and Equity Services, Ritu Sharma. Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Kritika Katuva. Folk Dance, Aarti Chaudhary. Vocal Music, Neetu Kanwar. Diploma in Event Management, Ayushi Bajaj. Diploma in French, Sanchita Sharma. Diploma in Food Science and Quality Control, Anjana Bhati. German, Gunjan Sharma. Fashion Designing, Kirti Shekhawat. International Business, Mehak Sharma. Jewelry Designing, Vinuka Garg. Mass Communication and Video Production, Shelly Jain. Retail Management, Shivani Jain. Tourism and Airline Management, Pallavi Mathur. Tax Procedure and Tax Planning, Prachi Saxena. Visual Art Painting, Shreyanshi Agarwal. Shriyeshi Agarwal. Integrated CAD and Graphic Designing, Divyanshi Garg. And Web Technology and Web Designing, Ayushi Chabra. With this, we come to the end of the second position holders, and I now begin with the third rank holders. BA first year, Muskan Sharma. BBA first year, Shipra Shah. BCA, Khushbu Mohata. BCom, Shriya Nagori. BSc Fashion Technology, Shivani Kuteta. BJMC, Ishika Kuchava. BSc, Ajita Sethi. BSc Jewelry Designing, Mahima Mehta. BBA, Sania Khan. BA Honours Economics, Urvashi Chaudhary. BA Honours English, Mili Jain. BA Honours Political Science, Rekha Kanwar Shekhawat. Psychology, Tuhina Sharma. BCom Honours ATG Sakshi Balani. BCom Honours BSG Shruti Jain. BCom Honours BSR Shatakshi Khandelwal. BCom Honours FSG Ida Saxena. BCom Honours HRG Harshita. BCom Honours IBG Tanisha Agarwal. BCom Honours Professional CA Jayati Sharma. BCom Honours Professional CS Princy Ketan. BSc Multimedia and Animation Rashika Sharma. BSc Chemistry Ruchi Paliwal. BSc Honours Zoology Balvinder Kaur Nagpal. BA second, now we have BA second year Can Subhadra Sharma. BBA second year Tamanna Samtani. BCA Dipali Jain. BCom Vaishali Rathore. BSc Fashion Technology Prachi Choraria. BJMC Arushi Bayasla. BSc Anjali Sharma. BSc Jewelry Designing Anushka Saravgi. BSc Home Science Pratik Sharma. BBA Shriya Jain. BSc Textile Faridhi Jain. BSc Economics Kritika Bhatia. BSc English Suman Chauhan. For BSc Textile it is Faridhi Jain.
BA Honours Political Science Richa Sharma. BA Honours Psychology Aditi Lakotia. BCom Honours ATG Surbi Gupta. BCom Honours PhD Lavni Agarwal. BCom Honours BSR Antima Ghosh. BCom Honours FSG Divisha Rumta. BCom Honours FRG Kritika Chobe. BCom Honours IBG Hirshi Sujanti. BCom Honours Professional CA Bhavya Gupta. BCom Honours Professional CS Suman Soni. BSc Chemistry Nikita Tiwari. BSc Zoology Shivani Jain. And BBA third year Satakshi Agarwal. And now we begin with the postgraduate students. MJMC Sushbu Patni. MA English, the third position holder, MA English, Jigyasa Batra. MA Psychology previous, Deepak Shekhawat. MA Psychology, Pooja Gupta. May I request the students to not clutter here and please move at the back and take their seats. Please move away from the front. MA Psychology, Pooja Gupta. MCom ATG, Sangeeta Chaudhary. MCom BSc, Shweta Maholia. MCom FSG, Alka Bishnoi. MSc Biotechnology, Anushri Birla. MSc Botany, Pooja Nirmal. MSc Home Science, Food and Nutrition, Priyanshi Agarwal. MSc Human Development, Akanksha Bhagat. MSc Zoology, Astha Singh. May I request the students to please clear out the way. MSc Zoology, Astha Singh. MSc Chemistry, Ankita Puri. MBA first year, previous, Rupal Parak. MSc Information and Technology, Nidhi Jain. MBA Human Resource Management, Soni K. Jain. MBA International Business, Pooja Gupta. MBA Retail Management, Shweta Soni. MA Economics, Nandini Agarwal. MA MCom MSc Fashion Technology, Anjali Verma. MSc Maths, Arpita Gupta. MSc Physics, Priyanka. Master of Social Work, Aarti Singh. FMS MBA, Quincy Sharma. PGDM, Khushbu Soni. PhD Science, Ritu Kedia. PhD Commerce and Management, Jasleen Kaur Bajwa. And PhD Arts and Social Sciences, Jyotika Sachdev. With this we come to the add-on certificate and diploma courses. The third position holders, Certificate in Banking, Insurance and Equity Services, Priyanka Agarwal. Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Akriti Kumari. Counseling and Guidance, Veena Ramnani. Event Management, Ayushi Goyal. French, Dikshita Jalan. Fashion Designing, Ritika Kabra. Food Science and Quality Control, Ajita Sethi. German, Nishtha Naran. International Business, Shuchi Gupta. Jewelry Designing, Richa Maheshwari. Mass Communication and Video Production, Antima Mishra. Certificate in Remote Sensing, Ritika Prajapati. Radio Program Production, Chetna Rathore. Retail Management, Aditi Pari. Still Photography and Audio Production, Bhavika Shekhawat. Tourism and Airline Management, Mansi Patel. Tax Procedure and Tax Planning, Shivani Arora. Tax Procedure and Tax Planning, there's been a tie, Rajni Chaudhary. Visual Arts Certificate, Ira Saxena. Web Technology and Web Designing, Apurva Kuldeep. Kathak Dance, Komal Pandit. Integrated CAD and Graphic Designing, Samiksha Jain. Research Methodology, Ankita Singh Sajwan. Banking, Insurance and Equity Services, Sakshi Kaushik. Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, Meenakshi Rajput. Folk Dance, Chanchal. Vocal music Urvashi Sharma. Event management Vishakha Goyal. French Devika Nagdev. Food science and quality control Pragati Dangayaj. Diploma in German Shubhangi Jain. Diploma in Fashion Designing Monica Sharma. Diploma in International Business Kirti Agarwal. Diploma in Jewelry Designing Shabban Agarwal. Mass Communication and Video Production Himanshi Muddal. Diploma in Retail Management Dolly Jain. Tourism and Airline Management Jyoti Gupta. Visual Arts and Painting Cheshtha Jain. And Web Designing, Web Technology and Web Designing Shivangi Agarwal. Now with this we move on to the IISU Student Council. These are the movers and shakers and the students who have contributed to make a lot of activities on our campus possible. I call upon the head girl Shiromi Chaturvedi, Deputy Head Girl Swiksha Jain, Cultural Head Jyoti Singh Chauhan, Cultural Secretary Neha Jain, Fourth Secretary Trupti Vishisht, Literary Society President Nishtha Chakravarti, Iha Maslin and Apeksha Tikku, they are Vice Presidents Literary Society, Secretaries Honi Nair and Somita Tomar, Members Rituparna and Anushka Yadav. The Debating Society President Rajsi Manrai, Vice President Aditi Lakodia and Charu Ashish, Secretary Shreya Sharma and Harshita Timani, Members Dhartri Bhagwaj and Kanan Nagar. We move on to Newsletter and Website Editing Society. The editors Anna Khan and Akriti Singh. Joint editors Pragya Joshi, Nupur Bhargav and Rini Dikshit. Members Priyanshi Randev. Moving on to Finance Society. President Satakshi Agarwal. Vice Presidents Ashita Judson. Priyanka Priya, the Secretary is Anupama Agarwal. Joint Secretary Priya Pachori and the members are Sanchita Bansal and Purva V. Modi. Moving on to the Society of Performing Arts. Presidents Diksha Khatri and Pragya Chakravarti. The Vice Presidents Aishwarya Podar, Musha Khatri and Dhruti Bam. The Secretaries Anushri Goyal, Mitali Patni, Megha Shekhawat, Niharika Joshi, Bhavika Shekhawat and Richa Rathod. The members are Divisha Agarwal and Harshita Sharma and Ruchika Sugani. And with this, we move on to the Theatrical Society. The presidents are Shivani Gera and Ambika Charan. Vice President Anubha Khandelwal. Secretary Anshika Gupta. And Joint Secretary Aishwarya Sharma. And I now call upon the Fashion Designing Guild, the Fashion Designing Council, in fact, President Paridhi Jain, Vice President Shivani Kuteka, Secretary Nimisha Santia. The members are Aditi Vyas and Shrishti Jain. The hostel coordinators are Vasundhara Akanksha Kala, and for Vasundhara Assistant Coordinator, Ritika Vidawat. Anchal Hostel, Diksha Chaudhary, and the Assistant Coordinator for Anchal Hostel, Chahat Banka. Moving on to sports. President Jaya Dwivedi. Vice President Vanika Jain, Purnima Nathavat, and Kritika Khandelwal. The Secretary Sonal Shekhawat and Nandini Rathore. And members Ekta Sharma, Jagrati Chaudhary and Archana Soni. And with this I move on to NCC. President Swaranjali Saxena. Vice President Richa Joshi, Secretary Pratibha Shekhawat, and members Deepika Shekhawat and Anjali Bhardwaj. I now move on to the Campus Activities Coordinating Committee. The presidents are Hanif Gurudatta and Siddiq Vijayvargi. Vice Presidents Anaida Khan, Swati Bopalia, Deepa Supradhar, Radhika Arora, Roma Khatri, Shraddha Swami, Sanika Chabra, Sakshi Kumawat. Priti Vijayvargi, Yashika Damani, Rania Sharma, Aparna Rajranga, Shreyashi Agarwal and Harshal Kalia. The members are Divya Relwani, Sonakshi Swami, Yashaswini Singh, Apurva Yadav, Sneha Lahoti, Saloni Jindal and Prakriti Sharma. And now move on to the IIS PG Council. Head girl Ashima Kaushik, Deputy Head Aishwarya Naruka, Cultural Secretary Manika Sharma, and the Joint Secretaries are Megha Mangal, Lakshita Goyal, Navandeep Dillon, Anupriya Saraswat, Mansa Shekhawat, Twinkle Kothari and Saesha Lakina.
Chicken soup, tea,
The research coordinators are Shraddha Chaudhary and Meher Gulati. The Alumni Association President is Disha Pamecha and Vice President Chirantana Kumari. And now move on to sports. And we had inter-class games and sports competition and the results were declared. Today we request our Vice Chancellor and the Registrar to kindly felicitate them. Anjali Sethia, who stood first in badminton, Mansi Maheshwari second and Paridi Lumal third. The team of badminton players from the college.
Excuse me.
For Carom, we had Sonal Shekhawat first and Mansi Maheshwari second. For chess, we had Shivani Sharma first, Sakshi Jain second and Prachi Chawla third. These are the results of the inter-class games and sports competition. For table tennis, the first position was bagged by Diksha Sinwar, the second by Avneet Kaur and the third by Janvi Bhutani. For basketball, the winners were the first year students and the team comprised of, I request the team to kindly come up. Jagrati Chaudhary, Archana Soni, Gulleen Grewal, Arpita Yadav, Priyanka Agarwal, Priyanshu Gupta, Twinkle Gupta, Moomal Rathore and Neha Jain. So the first years were the winners. I request the whole team to come up, please. Similarly, would request this runners-up second year team to get ready to come up as I call up your names. Let's have the second year students also assemble quickly. The runners-up for the second year students in basketball, the team consisted of Sonal Shekhawat, Cheshta Chaudhary, Anisha Dudi, Nandini Rathore, Ritika Bishnoi, Kaval, Shekdil, Meenal Jain, Sukhmani Kaur Sahani, Monica, Pragya Joshi and Sushmita Rathore.
Yes.
And in cricket, the winners were the third years and the team was again a big team and I call out the students, please come up quickly. Manmeet Kaur, Ambika Punia, Purnima Nathawat, Trupti Vishish, Jaya Dwivedi, Kritika Kandelwal, Mamta Chahar, Anita Chaudhary, L. Seema, Swaranjali Saxena, Renu Devi, Kanika Jain and Rekha Jangir. These are the winners of cricket, all of third years. Get set for a photograph. Some of you will have to kneel down. The runners-up team were the second year students and I request you to kindly line up before the team gets off the stage. Sonal Shekhawat, Cheshta Chaudhary, Shivangi Jhala, Pratibha Shekhawat, Monica, Richard Singh, Kirti Goyal, Tanya Verma, Rupali Mathur, Kanika Saini, Kiran Chaudhary, Rima Doot, Kshama and Deepika Shekhawat. These are the runners-up for cricket, all second year. In the inter-class handball competition, the winners were first year. Again, our team event. I call the students and please assemble while the team gets off the stage. The handball first year winners were Aparna Khandelwal, Radhika Chaudhary, Vaibhav Shekhawat, Amandeep Kaur, Neha Jain, Monica Jangir, Gulleen Grewal, Jagrati Chaudhary and Archana Soni. Please come out. Handball team.
Continue.
The runners up for the second year students again who are getting repeated. Sonal Shekhawat, Shivani Jhala, Anisha Dudi, Nandini Rathod, Ritika Bishnoi, Vijayshri Parihar, Sushmita Rathod, Mahima Natawat, Ekta Sharma, Kiran Chaudhary, Nivedita Rathod and Akhansha Diwan. Please stay down. Let this team get off and then go up. Second years, please wait until the first year gets down. And now coming up is the runners-up team, which was the second year runners-up team. I request all the audience to kindly cheer up this team because this has been repeatedly coming over and over again. Now moving on to volleyball, the winners for third years, and the team is small, but please come out quickly. Jaya Dvedi, Nisha Chaturvedi, Mamta Chahar, Madhu Jakhar, Purnima Nathawat, Kritika Khandelwal and Vanika Jain. And the second years, get ready again because as I call your name for the runners-up for volleyball. Ekta Sharma, Kiran Chaudhary, Nivedita Rathod. Please don't go up, but wait down. Nivedita Rathod, Shivani Jhala, Anisha Dudi, Shrishti Yadav, Ritika Bishnoi, Vijayshri Parihar, Khushbu Budara, Mahima Nathawat, Pooja Deval and Tanya Verma. This team deserves another round of applause. You see them come ample number of times back. And now we move on to interclass athletic meet, which is the event was 100 meters and these are individual awards. I call the students by their names. Kritika Khandelwal, first position. Suranjini Saxena, second. And Tanya Verma, third. The athletes, the event was 100 meters. For 200 meters, the first position holder was Kritika Khandelwal, second Mamta Chahar and third Suranjini Saxena. For 400 meters event, the first position was bagged by Kritika Khandelwal, again the third time. Harsha Chaudhary second and Sonali Gupta third. For 800 meters event, the first position was bagged by Mamta Chahar, Tanya Verma second and Neha Jain third. .400 meter team, Kritika Khandelwal, Harsh Chaudhary and Sonali Gupta. .800 meters, Mamta Chahar, Tanya Verma, Neha Jain. And the next event is shot put. The first position went to Mamta Chahar. Second to Tanya Verma. And the third to Neha Jain. I think these girls shouldn't go off the stage because they are coming in every event. For discus throw, the first position was bagged by Nivedita Rathod, second Kanika Saini, and third Radhika Chaudhary. For javelin throw, first position again by Nivedita. Discus thrower and then a javelin thrower. Please don't go down. Come again for javelin throw. Nivedita, Kanika Semi, the second position, and Shivangi Rathore, the third. The next event is standing broad jump, and the winner is Archana Soni. The second position is Sangeeta Yadav, and the third is Swaranjali Saxena. The next event coming up is 4 into 100 meters relay, and it was a team event, and the first position holders are Kritika Khandelwal, Mamta Chahar, Swaranjali Saxena and Manmeet Kaur. The team should come together to take the certificates and the trophy. The second position was backed by the team which consisted of Tanya Verma, Sangeeta Yadav, Kanika Seni and Kiran Chaudhary.
ये लड़कियां अगले में लड़की है तो आप क्या करते हो ये लड़कियां घूमी पाँच
The
पाँच छह से बार आ गई
third position now. Third position was backed by the team consisting of Archana Soni, Nishtha Gupta, Sonali Gupta and Soumya Dikshit.
शेल खत्म हो जाएंगे हैं तुम कह रहे शेल खत्म हो गए तो बंद हो जाएंगे पूरी हाँ हो गई खत्म है बदल
And now the special awards. The best athlete, any guesses? Kritika Khandelwal from Bicon Central. A round of applause for the shining girl on the stage. The best sports coordinator, any guesses? Sonal Shekhawat. Sonal Shekhawat. I think she deserves a whole loud round of applause from both sides. And the best NCC coordinator, Pratibha Shekhawat and Anjali Bhardwaj. The university organized certain other events also, for which I'll call upon the winners to come and receive their trophies and awards. We had the Kriti Mehendi competition in the month of August. The winners were three, I call them. Monica Sharma, Kirti Shekhawat and Nisha Chothani. These were the first position holders for the Mehendi competition. There were again three position holders for the second place. Tashlima Janha, Banu Prajapati and Mamta Kumawaj. And three people again for the third. Devyani Singh, Seema Swami and Garima Yadav. And there were five consolations. Ratika Khandelwal, Ayushi Jain, Shruti Parikh, Anjali Jahlan and Ritu Shekhawat. If any of these students are present, please hurry up. An anti-ragging poster competition was organized in the month of July in 2015. The theme was Ragging is a Crime, and there were winners for this also. Prachi Singhvi backed the first position. The second was backed by Parul Sharma from semester 3, and the third by Niharika Bansal. There were 5 consolation prizes. Priyam Sharma, Aishwarya Naruka, Arza Arora, Muskan Agarwal and Jyoti Rathore. The Department of Zoology organized a quiz competition for both UG and PG students. And for that, on the 20th of February 2016, and the winners were the UG team, which consisted of the following students. I request them to kindly come up the stage quickly. Ekta Chaudhary, Kriti Katua, Shivani Singh Sisodia, Abhya Sharma, Aditi Meena, Versha Yadav, Kiran Keswani, Kritika Thadani, Shagun Singh, Pudam Rathore, Anjana Bhati, Diksha Sharma, Monica Jangir, Jinia, Mansi Singh, Akriti Kumari, Deepika Sharma, Rajika Agarwal, Shireen Sharma, Sarleen Kaul and Prakriti Sharma. These were the team of the UG who won this competition, the quiz organized by the Zoology Department. And the winners were the PG, which consisted of the team C, which consisted of the PG students, Shruti Singh, Ruchi Sethia, Nitesh, Itisha Agarwal and Gagandeep. Well, this brings us to the end of this award ceremony. I'd like to thank our Vice Chancellor Dr. Ashok Gupta and our Registrar. अपने awards भी दिखा दो सब लोग क्या क्या किया। Left side people, please bring out your trophies. Everyone is getting recorded, please.